लाडली लाल की जय। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अहोवकीयं स्तनकालकूटं जिघांसयादादयदप्यवसाद्वि लेभे गतिं धातुचितां ततोऽन्यं कं वा दयालुं शरणं व्रजेम। नमः कमलनाभाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षणे। यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्ग्वंहदेवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। राधा कृष्ण भगवान की जय। Seekers of divine bliss, divine happiness, divine love, the divine souls. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to all of you present here. We have been speaking on the wonderful composition, divine compositions of the wonderful divine book, Yugal Shatak, written by the great saint Jagadguru Tam Shri Kripaluji Mahaprabhu. He has written many, many books, all divine, and this is also one of them, Yugal Shatak. Shatak means 100, so 100 divine poetries, compositions, 50 dedicated to Shri Krishna, 50 dedicated to Radharani. So continuing on the theme, we'll start with Kirtan number 93. मम अलबेली सरकार मम श्री वृषभानुदुलार मम प्रेम रूप रससार तव महिमा अपरंपार।
मम अलबेली सरकार मम श्री वृषभानुदुलार मम प्रेम रूप रससार तव महिमा अपरंपार।
मम अलबेली सरकार मम श्री वृषभानुदुलार
मम अलबेली सरकार मम श्री वृषभानुदुलार
मम प्रेम रूप रससार तव महिमा अपरंपार
मम प्रेम रूप रससार तव महिमा अपरंपार।
The devotee saint is glorifying his heart's beloved, Radharani. Radharani, of course, who is the other inseparable form of Sri Krishna. They are one and the same. Here the devotee saint is glorifying. He says, "O sovereign of my heart, the ruler of my heart, Albeli Sarkar, you who are the daughter of King Vrishabhanu, and you belong to me, I belong to you. You are the very formed essence, Sar. Sar means essence. Sar Tattva. Milk. When milk is taken and boiled, and then you put a little yogurt in that milk. After it is cooled down to a certain temperature, let it sit in a corner for a few hours. It all becomes yogurt, dahi. You churn that milk, the dahi now, and it becomes butter, makhan. You take that butter and you put it over fire in a pot. It becomes ghee. So the essence of the milk is ghee, clarified butter. So in the same way, so the essence of all three things here, Prem, Roop, Ras, your essence, the highest point, Nichod of Prem, divine love, Roop, beauty, and Ras, bliss, divine nectar. The highest point of divine love, the highest point of beauty, the highest point of bliss, divine nectar. O Radharani, O sovereign of my heart, Tava Mahima Aparampad. This is just a few words. No words can glorify, can attempt to even glorify your greatness. Your glories, your greatness are beyond words, beyond description. Even though I'm saying a few things here, there's nothing, there's not even a dust of your glory, your greatness. Tum Swamini Nanda Kumar, Tum Madan Ras Sakar. You're the governess of even Shri Krishna. Shri Krishna, who is called, who is Supreme Brahman. The Vedas, एक प्रश्न आया है वेद में, कहा परमो देवः, वो सुप्रीम तत्व, सुप्रीम ब्रह्म कौन है? Gopal Tapani Upanishad, second mantra, a question comes in Vedas, who is the supreme power, supreme Lord, above whom there is none? Our jawab Ved ne diya. The Vedas itself gives the answer. Krishno havai paramam daivatam. Gopal Tapani Upanishad, third mantra. Shri Krishna is the supreme power, supreme Brahma. Param Tattva. Radharani is also the governess of Shri Krishna. That supreme Brahma whom Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar worships. The Veda says, Krishnena aradhyate iti radha. that Shri Krishna also worships Radha. So she's the governess of Shri Krishna, the Supreme Brahma. She's called Madan Ras, Madanakya Mahabhav. The highest divine love is Mahabhav. This Mahabhav also has many sections. One is Madan and one is Mohan. Madanak Mahabhav, this is reserved only for Radharani. Even Shri Krishna cannot experience. So you are the very form. You are Madan Ras. Tum Karuna ki Bhandar. Your Bhandar means storehouse. You're a storehouse of mercy, compassion. You're so compassionate, so merciful to all the souls that come to you. You're a storehouse of mercy, compassion. Your glories are beyond words. Mama albeli sarkar, Mama Shri Vrishabhanu Dular, Mama Prema Rup Rasasar, Tava Mahima Aparampar.
Mama albeli sarkar, Mama Shri Vrishabhanu Dular, Mama Prema Rupa Rasasar, Tava Mahima Aparampar.
Tum Swamini Nanda Kumar, Tum Madan Ras Sakar,
Tum Swami Nanda Kumar, Tum Madan Ras Sakar,
Tum Karuna ki Bhandar, Tav Mahima Aparampar.
Tum Karuna ki Bhandar, Tava Mahima Aparampar.
Mama albeli sarkar, Mama Shri Vrishabhanu Dular, Mama Prema Rup Rasasar, Tav Mahima Aparampar.
Mama albeli sarkar, Mama Shri Vrishabhanu Dular, Mama Prema Rupa Rasasar, Tava Mahima Aparampar.
हे राधा रानी, कोई पतित आपको पुकारते हैं तो आप बहुत जल्दी दौड़ के उनके पास जाते हैं. और राधा रानी, any sinner, sinful soul in the world is filled with fallen souls. Like myself, once a sinful soul calls you from the heart, you leave everything and run to that soul. Immediately. Tum deenan ki rakhwar, you're a protector of the humble souls. Humility is so important. Radharani, Shri Krishna loves humility. This is why Shri Krishna Radharani is called Deena Bandhu, Deenanath, Deena Bandhu, friend of the humble, Deenanath, Lord of the humble. In other words, they cannot tolerate any kind of pride, ego. If you want to be spiritual, you want to go on the spiritual path, you want to attain bhakti, then humility is compulsory. So she protects the humble souls. Tum adhama udhar anhar, and you are the uplifter of the sinful souls. Who else can think this world is full of sinners? Adham. But Radharani, she's open in arms. She waits with open arms for all the sinful souls, to uplift them. तुम ही जग सर्जनिहार और तुम ही पालनहार, तुम ही जग संहार. We hear that there are three forms of Sri Krishna: Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar. Brahma, he is called Srishtikarta, the creator of the world. Vishnu is called Palanhar, the one who sustains the universe, sustains the world. And Shivji is the destroyer. But in reality, Radharani is the one who does all of this. Because without Shakti, neither can Shiv, neither can Vishnu, nor Brahma do anything. It'll just be formless. No name, no form, no quality, nothing. So without Shakti, even Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar cannot do anything. And Shakti is Radharani. So she is the real creator, sustainer, and destroyer. Mam albeli sarkar, Mam Shri Vrishabhanu Dula, Mam Prem Roop Rasasar, Tum Mahima Aparampar. पतितन सुनत पुकार, तुम दीनन की रखवार.
तुम पतितन सुनत पुकार, तुम दीनन की रखवार.
तुम अधम उदाहरणहार, तव महिमा अपरंपार. तुम ही जग सर्जनिहार, तुम ही जग पालनिहार.
तुम ही जग सर्जनिहार, तुम ही जग पालनिहार.
तुम ही कर जग संहार, तव महिमा अपरंपार.
तुम ही कर जग संहार, तव महिमा अपरंपार.
मम अलबेली सरकार, मम श्री वृषभानु दुलार, मम प्रेम रूप रससार, तव महिमा अपरंपार.
मम अलबेली सरकार, मम श्री वृषभानु दुलार, मम प्रेम रूप रससार, तव महिमा अपरंपार.
हे राधा रानी, तव ध्यान धरत रिझवार. Shri Krishna is always meditating on Radharani. To get to experience the divine bliss, Radharani is bliss personified. To experience the divine bliss, the Radhani Shakti, Shri Krishna is always meditating on Radharani. Our Gun Gavat Nanda Kumar. And not only that, he is always singing her praises, her qualities, her name. I've told you before that when Sri Krishna would go to sleep, from every pore of his body, Radhe, Radhe, Radhe. So much he loves Radharani. So you always chant and singing her names, qualities, etc. और तव कर हरि जय जयकार. And not only that, Shri Krishna is always singing the Jaykar also. He loves when we do the Jaykar of Radharani. Someone says, Radharani ki jai. But not Radharani ki jai. Jaykar means at the top of our voice. Then Shri Krishna feels happy as his Swamini is being glorified. He also is saying Jai. When devotees say Jai, Radharani ki Jai, Shri Krishna is also saying Radharani ki Jai. He is also doing the Jaykar of Radharani. Tava pag chapat rijhwar, tava chabi laki chabi balihar. Shri Krishna always looks for the opportunity to do Charan Seva, to press the lotus feet of Radharani. When Shri Krishna sees the gopis pressing the lotus feet of Radharani, something happens, he wants to, and he will promise the gopis all kinds of things to give him an opportunity that he also will get to do Charan Seva, to press the lotus feet of Radharani. A Tabachakhi, the Chabi, the beauty personified, divine beauty, has a personified form, beauty itself. She is staring at Radharani, at the beauty of Radharani, that she gets spellbound. Beauty personified gets spellbound. So beautiful is Radharani. She gets spellbound by her beauty. Tava arati shama utar. And Shri Krishna is always doing the arti of Radharani. Imagine. We get opportunity, we can come and do arti. And some of us think, we should pass this opportunity. I do arti anytime, or let everybody do. And Shri Krishna, वो आरती करते हैं राधा रानी की. Shri Krishna himself is doing arti of Radha Rani. So we should think that we are so blessed. When Shri Krishna is doing Radha Rani's arti, how blessed are we to be able to do her arti? Mamal Beli Sarkar, Mama Shri Vrishabhan Dula, Mama Prema Rup Rasasa, Tav Mahima Aparampa.
Mama Alveli Sarkar, Mama Shri Vrishabhan Dula, Mama Prema Rupa Rasa, Tava Mahima Aparampa.
Tav Dhyan Dharat Rijhwar, Gun Gavat Nand Kumar.
Tav dhyan dharat rijhwar, Gun gavat Nand Kumar.
Tav kari har jay jaykar, Tav mahima aparampa. राधा रानी की जय.
तव महिमा अपरंपार.
तव पग चापत रिझवार, तव छवि लखी छवि बलिहार. तव आरती शाम उतार, तव महिमा अपरंपार.
तव आरती शाम उतार, तव महिमा
श्री वृषभानुजुलाय मम प्रेम रूप साकार मम प्रेम रूप रस सार तव महिमा अपरंपार
मम अलबेली सरकार मम श्री वृषभानुजुलाय मम प्रेम रूप रस सार तव महिमा अपरंपार।
तुम महाभाव साकार और तुम आत्मानंद कुमार. The highest divine love is Mahabhav. Siddha Bhakti. Told you many times there are 10 types of devotion. Sadhan Bhakti, Bhav Bhakti. This is sadhana. Sadhana Bhakti. The Siddha Bhakti. So Sadhan Bhakti, Bhav Bhakti. This is sadhana. Then Siddha from now, Prema Bhakti, Sneh Bhakti, Man Bhakti, Pranay Bhakti, Rag Bhakti, Anurag Bhakti, Bhavish, Mahabhav. 10. So from the first two, Sadhana Bhakti, Bhav Bhakti, Sadhana. This is what we have to do. The rest from Prema Bhakti till Mahabhav, we will attain through the grace of a Rasik Saint. When our heart has become completely pure and according to the category, the type of devotion we did and the kind of saint we surrendered to, the class of saint. So the highest is Mahabhav and Radharani is Mahabhav personified. Your Atma. Atma tu Radhika tasya. The Vedas say Radharani is the Atma, the soul of Shri Krishna. Tum prana prana bhajanar. You're the very life of the gopis of Vrindavan. Without you, the gopis can't ever exist. You're the life of their life. O Radharani, words are useless to glorify. Your glories cannot be put into words. They are beyond words. Tum par agnit rativar, tum par girdhar balihar. Over and over we've been hearing that Rati is the most beautiful woman, the wife of Kamdev, the most beautiful woman in the material world. Uncountable Ratis can be sacrificed on the beauty of Radharani. She's more beautiful than the beauty of uncountable Ratis combined. Even Shri Krishna, Girdhar, Shri Krishna, he is sacrificing himself upon Radharani. And he says, Balihar, Balihar, Balihar. Tumapar Bari Brajanar. All the gopis of Vrindavan, they sacrifice themselves upon you, O Radharani. Tumashar Sharanagat Rakhvat, to the surrendered souls. Those who surrender to you, you're the protector. Once the soul starts surrendering to God, Radharani protects that soul. No more, doesn't have to worry anymore. Shri Krishna says in Gita, at one place with a challenge, Kaunteya pratijani name bhakta pranashyati. Chapter 9 verse 31, Gita. Arjun, my devotee can never fall, can never be harmed. Radharani, she's always protecting the surrendered souls. Tum bhaja rasa braja rasa bhatani har. And you are always sharing, distributing the divine bliss, the divine nectar of divine love, which is called Brajaras, the highest divine love. Premanand, Brajaras, many different names called. You keep distributing that indiscriminately, whether someone is deserving or not. Tum binu karan kar pyar, without any reason. You love all the souls. Mama albeli sarkar, मम श्री वृषभानुदुला मम प्रेम रूप रससार तव महिमा अपरंपार
मम अलबेली सरकार मम श्री वृषभानुदुला मम प्रेम रूप रससार तव महिमा अपरंपार
तुम महाभाव साकार तुम आत्मा नंद कुमार
तुम महाभाव साकार तुम आत्मा नंद कुमार
तुम प्राण प्राण ब्रजना तव महिमा अपरंपार
तुम प्राण प्राण व्रजना तव महिमा अपरंपार
तुम पर अगणित रतिवार तुम पर गिरधर बलिहार
तुम पर
बलिहार
रतिहार तुम पर गिरधर बलिहार
तुम परवारी ब्रजना तुम महिमा अपरंपार
तुम परवारी भजना तव महिमा अपरंपार
तुम शरणागत रखवार तुम ब्रज रस बात निहार
तुम शरणागत रखवार तुम ब्रज रस बाट निहार
तुम बिनु कारण कर प्यार तुम पर कृपालु बलिहार
तुम बिनु कारण कर प्यार तुम पर कृपालु बलिहार
Kripalu ji Mahaprabhu says, I also sacrifice myself over and over on Radharani. तुम बिनु कारण कर प्यार तुम पर कृपालु बलिहार
तुम बिनु कारण कर प्यार तुम पर कृपालु बलिहार
मम अलबेली सरकार मम श्री वृषभानुदुला मम प्रेम रूप रससार तव महिमा अपरंपार
मम अलबेली सरकार मम श्री वृषभानुदुला मम प्रेम रूप रससार तव महिमा अपरंपार
बोले अलबेली सरकार की जय. So we go on to the other part, the other kirtan, again from Yugal Shatak. And this one is a divine Leela, again concerning Shri Krishna, Bhagwan Shri Krishna. तो सो नहीं बोलूं तर तो सो नहीं बोलूं अब भूले हुलम पत मोटे नालिपत चलू हट हट लंपत
सो नहीं बोलूं अब भूले हुलम पत
सो नहीं बोलू अब, भूले हुलम पट, मोटे नाल पट चल, हट हट लंपट।
तो सो नहीं बोलूं अब, भूले हूँ लंपट, मोटे वाली पट चालू, हट हट लंपट।
अब एक अनोखी बात है, बड़े अनोखी बात है। ब्रह्मा विष्णु शंकर सब चाहते हैं कि श्री कृष्ण आओ मेरे पास, मेरे हमेशा मेरे साथ रहो, लेकिन गोपियां ऐसे है श्री कृष्ण को भगा रहे, चल हट। What an extremely extraordinary, strange happening. Only in Braj. All great personalities, Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, everyone would love that Sri Krishna would come to them, that they can see Sri Krishna all the time. And those who have seen Sri Krishna, who have his association, the gopis of Vrindavan, they are chasing him away. Get out, get lost. I don't want to see you. Extraordinary, strange occurrence. The gopis' life. They love Shyam Sundar more than their life. This is all acting to increase the happiness of Shyam Sundar. Tat Sukha Sukhitvam. Narad Bhakti Sutra. Naradji defines love as being happy in the happiness of the beloved. Unki ichha mein ichha. Thakurji loves this behavior of the gopis. That he is supreme Brahman. They are looking upon him as though he is nothing. Treating him as though lower than them. But with love, don't think that Thakurji loved this, how the gopis are behaving, so I'm going to behave the same way with Thakurji. I'm going to tell him, get out. I don't want to talk to you. No. When we become a gopi, if ever it happens, the time, then we can do this, not before. Abhi adhikari nahi hai. No, we don't have the right to do that. So enjoy this sweet relation of the gopis with Kanhaiya. Just enjoy. Do not try to become. As yet. You will eventually, but not yet. So, this gopi, with love inside her heart, outwardly she's saying angrily to Kanhaiya, hey Kanhaiya, I'm never going to speak to you again, not even by mistake. Kabhi bhool mein bhi nahi. By mistake, I'm not going to speak to you ever again. Get out. And don't try to come and hang around close to me. Don't try hanging around me. I don't want to see you. Get far away, get out, get far away, quick march. The sweetness of that relationship, very strange. We can't even understand. And what he says, Kholo na ghungat, pat chuo jani lampat. Hey lampat. You flirt? I know about you. Don't try opening my ghungat. The gopis, little over 5,000 years ago in India, they were all village women. And they lived like village women. Even now, if you go into villages, you will see women, they wear ghungat, veil, 1 foot long. So the gopis, they all wore ghungat, a veil, over their face. If they want to see, they will take 2 fingers and do like this. But there's a veil over their face. So don't you dare. Thakurji is always removing their veil, always taking their veil and running off with it. Don't you dare open my veil, and don't you dare even touch me. Chomat, don't touch me. Why? Jani gayi to hi pehchani gayi lampat. Because I have recognized what you are. I have learned what you are. I have learned my lesson well. You know, in English we say we can't teach an old dog new tricks. I have been burned too many times by you, Kanhaiya. I've had enough. I've recognized about you. What does I've recognized? Tu hi meri pyari. You say this to the gopis, so sweet. That you alone, tu hi, you alone are my beloved. You say this to the gopis. And which gopi will not be lost? Shyam Sundar would come to the gopi and say, oh gopi, you are the only one I love. You are so dear, you are the dearest one to me. Alone. Which gopi will not be lost by this? So all the gopis get fooled by this. और एक छोरत एक को पकड़त. And if you say that to one gopi, no, you say it to every gopi. Immediately you have just said to this gopi and you walk a little bit and you meet another gopi, you are the most dearest one to me, alone. And another gopi, you are, all the gopis you say the same thing. एक एक को बताते यही है कि तू ही मेरी प्यारी. And all the gopis know this. Because you say it to all of them and they speak among themselves. This is what Shyam Sundar has said to me. This is what he has said to me. So you say this to all the gopis. That you alone are the dearest one to my heart. So I have recognized you. I have learned about you. I have known about you. So I know everything about you. That's what I'm telling you. Get out. Stay far away. I will never even speak to you, not even by mistake anymore. तो सो नहीं भूलू तब तो सो नहीं भूलू अब भूले हुलम पत मोटे नाल पट चले हट हट लंपत बात है आप लोग हट हट कहे. You see, hut, hut. You think if anybody says to Shyam Sundar, hut, hut, he will move away? Hut means go away. Hut, 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 hut. Hut! You have to say like this, not hut, hut. Hut, hut. Nobody's going to impose. Please go away, please go away. No, get out! Hut! Like this you have to say. बहुत ढीठ है. तो सो नहीं चोलू अब भूले हुलम पट मोटे नाल पट चलू हट हट लंपट. तो सो नहीं बोलो अब भूले हुलम पट मोटे नाल पट चलू हट हट लंपट. खोलो न घूंघट पाट छुओ जनि लंपट. जानी गई तो ही पहचानी गई लंपट.
जानी गई तो ही पहचानी गई लंपट.
तू थी मेरी प्यारी सब तेही का लंपट।
तू ही मेरी प्यारी सब तेरी लंपट।
एक छोरत एक पकड़त लंपट।
एक छोड़त एक पकड़त लंपट।
ओट सो नहीं भूलो अब भूले लंपट। मोते न लिपट चलू हट हट लंपट।
तो सो नहीं बोलो अब भूले लंपट। मोते न लिपट चलो हट हट लंपट।
हाँ, आपका खाना झूठ, पीना झूठ और सोना भी झूठ है। Your eating is false, lie. Your drinking is lie. Your sleeping is lie. In other words, सब कुछ झूठ है. Every moment you are lying, speaking falsehood. मुझे ऐसे प्रतीत है कि आप झूठ का अवतार ही है. Actually, the gopi says, it looks to me like you are the very descension of falsehood, of lies. You lie so much. It's not झूठ. Everything. No one can believe whatever you say. Because you lie so much. If somebody is always lying, and one day he tells the truth, do you think somebody will believe? Huh? He might be telling the truth. Nobody's going to believe because you always lie. And this is what a gopi is saying. You always lie. Khana, pina, sona, everything. Eat and drink and sleep, and every time you're lying. अब मारे दृगबान तान नई नन लंपट, लागे जाए उर पट, जाने कैसे लंपट. Through your eyes, you shoot arrows. Through the eyes, आँख, you shoot the darts, arrows of love. And where do you shoot it? Straight in the eye of the gopis. उनके आँख में मार के. You just wait for an opportunity for a gopi to look at you, by mistake even, and you shoot these arrows of, these darts of love into her heart, into her eyes, and it goes straight into her heart. The moment it enters into the eye of the gopi, it goes straight into her heart and she feels the pain. अब कह सहती है? How does the gopi bear that intense divine bliss, that the arrows of your divine, those divine arrows that comes from your eyes? I have no idea. The gopis are able to. They have that. That's why this cannot be given to an unworthy soul. Even if a saint who has a divine love, or Sri Krishna himself were to come and try to give us that, we can't take it. We'll be burned to ashes because we don't have the vessel to bear it. The mind, the heart, has to be made divine. You have heard the saints, Kripaluji Mahaprabhu says that, and this is, you have heard the saying, the milk of a lioness can only be kept into a golden vessel. If you put in any other vessel, wo phat jayega, it will burst. In the same way, divine love can only be held by divine vessel, divine heart, divine mind. So the gopis, they have the power to bear that infinite divine bliss, divine love. These arrows are being shot from the eyes of Kanhaiya into the eyes of the gopis, and it goes straight to their heart. Sabakitu mohe, sabakitu sohe, khaya kahe nit lampat, तो सो ही करूंगा ब्याह, और बोले झूठ। लोग सौगंध खाते हैं संसार में, गंगा की सौगंध, इसकी सौगंध। People in the world, in India, they use the word saugandh to when they swear, take an oath. So people swear on Ganga, they swear on their mother, they swear on their father. They use the word saugandh. So Sri Krishna, he uses word lat. You swear. So he goes to the gopis and says, Baba ki saugandh, Maiya ki kau saugandh. I swear on Maiya, I swear on Baba. What he swears? I will get married to you. आपसे ब्याह करूंगा. I will get married to you. And you are lying, you get married to no gopi. But you tell all the gopis you'll get married. This kind of guy I don't want close to me. Get out. तो सो नहीं भूलो अब भूले हुलम पट, मोते न लिपट चलू हठ हठ लंपट।
तो सो नहीं भूलो अब भूले हुलम पट, मोते न लिपट चलू हठ हठ लंपट।
झूठ ही तेरा खाना पीना सोना लंपट।
झूठी है तेरा खाना पीना सोना लंपट।
झूठ का ही अवतार जानी पर लंपट।
झूठ का ही अवतार जाने पर लंपट।
मारे दृगबान तान नैनन लंपट। मारे दृगबान नैनन लंपट। सबकी दुमोघन लागे जाय उर पट, जाने कैसे लंपट।
लागे जाए उर पट, जाने कैसे लंपट।
तो सो नहीं भूलू अब भूले हुलम पट, मोते न लिपट चलू हठ हठ लंपट।
तो सो नहीं बोलो अब भूले हुलम पट, मोते न लिपट चलू हठ हठ लंपट।
सबकी तू सौ है खाय, सबकी तू सौ है खाए, कहे नित लंपट।
सब ही तू सोए खाय, कहे नित लंपट।
तो सो ही करूँगो ब्याहू, बोले झूठ लंपट।
तो सो ही करूँगो ब्याहू, बोले झूठ लंपट।
ओ तो सो नहीं भूलो अब भूले हुलम पट, मोते न लिपट चलू हठ हठ लंपट।
तो सो नहीं बोलो अब भूले हुलम
लगता है कि आपने जादू कहीं सीखा. Shri Krishna is called Jadugar. As Gopi say that you have learned some kind of magic. लोग के अपने वश में करते वशीभूत. It's called vashibhoot. There's some kind of, there are magics, black magic, that people can perform certain things and they can bring someone under their control. Black magic. So the Gopi is saying that it seems as though you have perfected this magic you have siddh kiya. You have perfected this magic, this vashibhoot, that you can bring people under your control, those who you want to. Yahi jabo dekhe soi mohe. Whoever you look at, immediately they fall under your spell. Immediately that person falls. This is why Thakurji is called Jadugar, topmost of magician. He steals the heart of Brahma, Vishnu, Shankar, everyone. Uma, Rama, Saraswati, everyone, he steals their heart. That topmost of magician, Jadugar. और नारी जानी ही न मोहे तो ही लखी लंपट योगीश्वराज योगी राज शिव धारे नरतन नारी तन. And not only women, only the gopis that you have brought under your control, Shiv Bhagwan, Shivji fell under your spell. That he became a gopi, a girl, 16-year-old girl, to take part in the Maharas. This kind of spell, you put even Shiv, Yogi Raj, topmost among yogis, that you had a spell over him, he became a lady, a girl. Shiv became Shivani. तो सो नहीं बोलो अब भूले हुलम पट मोटे न लिपट चलो हठ हठ लंपट.
तो सो नहीं बोलो अब भूले हो लंपट मोटे न लिपट चलो हठ हठ लंपट.
तूने किया सिद्ध यशिकार सिद्धि लंपट.
तूने किया सिद्ध वशीकार सिद्ध लंपट.
याते जो भी देखे सोई मोहे झट लंपट.
याते जो भी देखे सोई मोहे झट लंपट.
नारी जाति ही ना मोहे तो ही लखी लंपट.
नारी जाति ना मोहे तो ही लखी लंपट.
योगी राज शिव धारे नारी तन लंपट.
योगी राज शिव धारे नारी तनु लंपट.
हो तो सो नहीं भूलू अब भूले हुलम पट मोते न लिपट चलू हट हट लंपट.
तो सो नहीं बोलो अब भूले हो लंपट मोटे न लिपट चलो हठ हठ लंपट.
Not only that, the saints and sages I told you, we've heard many times, that when the Lord, the same Shri Krishna came in Treta Yuga as Ram, and he was banished to the forest for 14 years. And he was going through the Dandak, the terrible Dandak Ban forest. So the rishis and the munis, who were the saints and sages living there, seeing Ram, decided loving him as a woman would love a man. They came as gopis. Sri Ram granted them the boon that when I come in Dwapar Yuga as Sri Krishna, you will come as gopis. So many of the gopis were the saints and sages of the Dandaka forest. They also, those great sages, saw you, and that was it. They became totally lost in your, bewildered and lost in love with you. They forgot everything. The moment they saw you. Our Naritanu Dhari Agni Putra, the children of the sons of Agni, the god of fire, they also came as gopis. There are many, many classes of gopis. They also came as gopis when the Lord came, descended a little more than 5,000 years ago. They also came. And the moment they looked at you, they felt completely bewildered and in love with you. They lost their heart, their mind, everything to you. Beam out, Murray. They got completely lost on you. That was the end of them. तो सो नहीं भूलो अब भूले हुलम पट मोते न लिपट चलू हट हट लम पट
तो सो नहीं भूलो अब भूले हुलम पट मोते न लिपट चलू हट हट लंपट
नारी बनी दंडक बन मुनि लंपट
नारी बनी दंडक बन मुनि लंपट
आए यही ब्रज मोहे तो ही लखी लंपट
आए यही ब्रज मोहे तू ही लगी लंपट
नारी तनुधारी अग्निपुत्र जन लंपट
नारी तनुधारी अग्निपुत्र जन लंपट
तो ही लाखी मारे गए मौत बिनु लंपट
तो ही लगी मारे गए मौत बिनु लंपट
तो सो नहीं बोलू अब भूले लंपट मोते न लिपट चलू हठ हठ लंपट
तो सो नहीं बोलो अब भूले लंपट मोते न लिपट चलो हट हट लंपट
अब अंतिम पंक्ति में कृपालु महाप्रभु कहते हैं कि बड़े बड़े ऋषि मुनि मोहे काम सो गयो काम ते कृपालु लखी लंपट. The Kripaluji Mahaprabhu is saying in the words of that gopi who is saying to Sham Sundar, hey Sham Sundar, this fellow, there's a guy called Kamdev, the god of love. The word Kam here means Kamdev, the god, the celestial god of love. He has captured great rishis and munis, made them fall. He shoots the arrow of love on them. That he has made them fallen from all their highest stages. He tried with Shiv Bhagwan too. It didn't succeed. Shivji burnt him to ashes. So he's also called Anang. Anyhow, besides Shivji, his great rishis and munis have fallen prey to Kamdev, to his darts, his arrows of love that he shoots, captures in their heart. That Kamdev, aap in mohe, he is being captured by your love. You also stole the heart of Kamdev. This is why Shri Krishna is also called Madan Mohan. The one who even captures the heart of Madan, Kamdev. So this is why he's called Madan Mohan. So imagine Kamdev also lost his heart to you. All this I know, all this I've realized, that's why I'm saying to you, the Gopi says, don't speak to me, and I'm not going to speak to you, not even by mistake, and get very far away from me, don't hang around me, get lost, get out. तो सो नहीं बोलो अब भोले हुलम पट मोते नाल पट चलो हठ हठ लम पट
तो सो नहीं बोलो अब भोले हुलम पट मोते नाल पट चलो हठ हठ लम पट
बड़े बड़े ऋषि मुनि मोहे कामलम पट
बड़े बड़े ऋषि मुनि
मोहे कामलम पट सो गयो काम ते कृपालु लखिलम पट
सो गयो काम ते
कृपालु
लखिलम पट
तो सो नहीं बोलू अब भूले हुलम पट मोते नाल पट चलू हठ हठ लम पट
तो सो नहीं बोलो अब भोले हुलम पट मोते नाल पट चलो हठ हठ लम पट
So we have to realize this is the love of the gopis, that the gopis love Sham Sundar more in their heart, their own life. This is also to give happiness to Sham Sundar. This is the way this gopi is speaking. Don't take it like that. This is a divine play. It's all divine. This gopi does not feel harshness in her heart. The gopis are the highest when it comes to selflessness. Yatha Gopika Naam. Bhagavad Mahapuran, when it comes to devotees, Vedavyasji says, Vaishnavanam Yatha Shambhu, that Shambhu is the highest. Naradji says, no. In Narad Bhakti Sutra, Naradji says, Yatha Gopika Naam. The gopis are the highest devotees. That even Shivji wants to get the dust of the feet of these gopis. He also became a gopi. So the gopis, they're the highest point of selflessness. And whatever the gopi did, these gopis did was only to give happiness to Sham Sundar. This is their whole aim. This is making Sham Sundar happy. Don't worry, we can't understand. If somebody were to behave like that to us, we'll tell them, get lost, then you get lost too. In the world, somebody behave like that and they say, I love you, and they do that, you say, you get lost also. Get out. But this is a divine world. This is not, we can understand. Just enjoy it. Just know that whatever this gopi is doing is eventually to give happiness to Sham Sundar, that Sham Sundar is getting happiness by what this gopi is saying. And we don't understand, that's fine. That's all, just enjoy. बोले लंपत राज नंद कुमार की
जय।
बंद करो. All right, so we're going to go in a few minutes to, we have an outdoor session. Yesterday we were there and we're going to go again by the tree. Was told it's called Krishna Kunj. So we're going to go there. So you can go quickly into the washroom, whatever, and then join us there. But before that, come up and have darshan. Yesterday we weren't able to do that, so do that now. Come and have darshan and take prasad and then go. Niksha,